This is easily the biggest space that we've completed as a project. Just under 7 by 8 metres. It gives a unique learning space for the school.
We really want our children to kind of experience education, particularly children who may have come from disadvantaged backgrounds or have barriers to learning. Just going to a castle, just going to a beach, that might sound quite odd, but if children have never done that and never been supported to do that, they get really quite uncomfortable or potentially will put off doing those things, even though it's supported with school. To bring them into this environment, show them the spaces that we're going to, let them have a walk around, let them understand. You get more confident, more comfortable going out and doing those things. But if you can't do that, if we can't all go to the International Space Station, at least those children can have an experience. Their learning can only be enhanced by having this kind of opportunity.
The ability to be transported anywhere, and I don't just mean the moon or going underwater, but actually applying that to practical situations. So being able to go to a busy building site or like a hospital ward, or being able to simulate and immerse students in those environments, I think is really, really valuable.
We can bring in dynamic lighting which will match the content that is on screen. We can also deliver scents which would add to the experience, so that for a volcano, for example, that might be a smell of sulphur.
We really think that we can use it to bring learning to life for all age groups and in all subjects. And here we are, we've got our room.
Content providers are now starting to catch up and provide educational content for schools and colleges. I see it going from strength to strength, and I think as the content offering gets stronger and stronger, we'll see even more adoption of this technology.
As an immersive space, this really is a game changer for Fitzalan School. They now have a space in which they can deliver content that would not be able to deliver in a normal classroom environment. Everybody
was involved in the design and the visioning, from every child, our support staff, teaching staff, senior staff, and I think we've really got a school to be proud of.